The Tree of Resilience. Teaching the importance of resilience and finding the inner strength to overcome challenges. One autumn day, Grandfather Samuel and his granddaughter Lily went for a walk in the park. The leaves were changing color and falling from the trees, and the ground was covered in a blanket of red, orange, and yellow. As they walked, Lily noticed a barren tree standing alone in the middle of all other trees. She asked her grandfather why the tree didn't have any leaves. "That tree is a symbol of resilience," Grandfather Samuel said. "It's a reminder that even in the midst of change and loss, we can still stand tall and proud." He told Lily a story about a seed that fell into the ground and began to grow. The seed faced many challenges along the way, but it never gave up. It weathered storms, fought off pests, and endured long periods of drought. Finally, after many years, the seed grew into a strong and beautiful tree. The tree's journey is like the journey of a human spirit, Grandfather Samuel said. We all face challenges in our lives, but we can overcome them if we never give up. We can find the strength to grow and thrive even in the face of adversity. This is called resilience. Lily was inspired by her grandfather's story. She realized that she could be resilient too, no matter what life threw at her. She vowed to always stand tall and proud, just like the barren tree in the park.